Next topic is electric dipole in a uniform two-dimensional electric field. Electric dipole in a uniform two-dimensional electric field. Let us consider an electric dipole having charge minus q at A and plus q at B, and these charges are separated by a small distance 2a. These are separated by a small distance 2a, and this dipole have a dipole moment P is equal to q into 2a. Direction of dipole moment is from negative charge towards positive charge. Let this dipole is held in a uniform electric field E. Let this dipole is held in a uniform electric field E, making an angle theta with the direction of E. This dipole is held in a uniform electric field of intensity E at an angle theta with the direction of E. Now force on charge plus q at B is, then force on charge plus q at B is equal to q into E along E. Because electric field intensity is फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस बाय यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज, तो एफ क्या हो जाता है, क्या उधर जाएगा तो क्यू ई. फोर्स ऑन चार्ज प्लस क्यू एट बी इज क्यू ई along E. Force on charge minus q at A, this is also QE, or we may write it as minus QE. Negative signs means this is acting in a direction opposite to E. Force on charge plus q at B will be QE acting along E, and force on charge minus q at A is, this is also QE acting opposite to E. As these forces QE and QE, these are equal and opposite, therefore net force on dipole is equal to QE minus QE. ये QE इधर है, ये माइनस, ये जीरो हो जाना चाहिए. But these forces are equal, unlike and parallel, therefore they form a couple. This couple tends to rotate the dipole anti-clockwise direction to align it in the direction of E. ये ऐसे हो जाएगा, ऐसे माइनस क्यू प्लस क्यू, डायरेक्शन ऑफ डाइपोल मोमेंट और डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सेम हो जाएगी. These forces are equal, unlike and parallel, they form a couple which rotates the dipole to align, which rotates the dipole anti-clockwise, to align it in the direction of E. Draw AC perpendicular to E. ये पॉइंट A था, AC. Draw AC perpendicular to E. Now AC is equal to perpendicular distance between the line of action of force. इस force की line of action ये है, इसकी ये है, तो इनके बीच में perpendicular distance है ये. Therefore perpendicular distance between two forces, which is also called arm of couple, this is AC. Now if this angle is theta, then this is also theta. These are alternate interior angles. Now cos theta is now sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. sin theta क्या है, AC upon AB. AC को इधर रख लो, AB उधर जाएगा, तो AC बराबर है AB sin थीटा. अब AB क्या है, 2A के बराबर है, therefore AC is equal to AB sin theta is equal to 2A sin theta. As two forces are equal, unlike and parallel, therefore they form a couple which tends to rotate the dipole anticlockwise to align it in the direction of electric field. Now perpendicular distance between two forces, which is called arm of couple, is AC is equal to AB sin theta is equal to 2A sin theta. Therefore torque due to two forces, torque acting on the dipole is equal to moment of couple. Torque acting on the dipole is equal to moment of couple. Moment of couple is either force into arm of couple. Every force is QV, as every force is QV. Therefore force is QV and arm of couple is AC, and now AC is 2A sin theta. This will become Q into 2A गुणा में E गुणा में sin theta. Now Q into 2A, this is dipole moment, PE sin theta. Therefore we can write it as torque is equal to P cross E. Therefore this is the torque acting on a dipole held in a uniform external electric field. Now the direction of this torque, this can be calculated from right hand rule. ये P की डायरेक्शन है ये, और ये E की डायरेक्शन है, तो P से E की तरफ जब राइट हैंड की फिंगर्स को कर्ल करते हैं तो थंब क्या करता है, अपवर्ड एक्ट करता है. Therefore by right hand thumb rule, torque is perpendicular to P and E directed upwards. Now special cases. First special case, when the dipole is held in the direction of E, dipole E की डायरेक्शन में होगा तो then theta is 0, theta 0 होगा. Therefore torque क्या हो जाएगा, PE sin 0. थीटा व 0 sin 0 0 होता है, तो P गुणा में 0 बराबर है 0. तो torque acting on the dipole is 0 and force is QV minus QV. इधर फोर्स QV होगा, इधर भी QV होगा, तो फोर्स 0 हो जाएगा. सेकेंड, when the dipole is held in a direction opposite to electric field, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है, इसका मतलब माइनस Q चार्ज ऊपर है और प्लस Q चार्ज नीचे है, तो डाइपोल मोमेंट इधर एक्ट करेगा, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इधर है. Then torque acting on the dipole, this rotates the dipole through 180 degree, and the dipole is said to be in unstable equilibrium, and torque acting on the dipole is net torque acting on the dipole जिसके अंदर होगा वो उसको रोटेट कर देगा 180 डिग्री से. therefore it will be in unstable equilibrium. और फर्स्ट केस में जब थीटा 0 था, then dipole is said to be in stable equilibrium. Third, when theta is 90, then torque will be PE sin 90. Sin 90 is 1, PE 1, therefore torque acting is maximum. When dipole is held in a direction perpendicular to direction of electric field, then torque acting on is maximum. Third, now special note, when uniform electric field is acting along P, uniform electric field P के along है, तो then force क्या हो जाएगा भाई, force is equal to QV minus QV is equal to 0. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इधर है, यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, और डाइपोल मोमेंट क्या होता है, माइनस Q2 प्लस Q, ये भी इधर ही है. When uniform electric field is along P, then force is QV minus QE is 0, torque is PE sin theta. Now angle between E and P is 0, therefore torque is 0. Second, when electric field is increasing along P, when electric field is increasing along P, यहाँ पर P के अलॉन्ग इंक्रीज हो रहा है, यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कम है, यहाँ पर ज़्यादा है, तो यहाँ पर फोर्स क्या होगा QE, वहाँ पर क्या होगा QE. अब यहाँ पर E ज़्यादा है, यहाँ पर E कम है, देयरफॉर नेट फोर्स acts along P and torque is PE sin 0, थीटा 0 है तो टॉर्क 0 है. थर्ड, when electric field is decreasing along P, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डिक्रीज कर रहा है, यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ज़्यादा है, उधर घट रहा है, तो इधर फोर्स QE होगा, उधर भी QE होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ज़्यादा है, ये QE ज़्यादा होगा, ये QE कम होगा. देयरफॉर नेट फोर्स एक्ट्स अपोजिट टू P and torque is PE sin 0, because direction of dipole moment is in the direction of field, therefore torque will be 0.